day, using the same technique, and I think that this is boutique gorgeous. I have completed 2 of the apple cider containers, and I still have a few more, but I don't think I want to do the same treatment to the others. And mine is pretty plain. I may just leave it the way it is, like I said, or maybe I'll put a nice fancy bow. Just maybe, I know what I could do with this one. I'm going to use this one in a upcoming project that I'm going to be showing you in a few minutes, and it's Pom Poms. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add Pom Poms to this one. It's perfect, and I have the yarn right here. Okay, so that's what's coming up next. I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy Pom Poms, and that too has been inspired by Olivia's Romantic Home. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. I never thought about making Pom Poms, and I didn't know it was so easy, but it was so easy that on Thanksgiving I actually bought some yarn with me over to my daughter and son-in-law's home and taught, I think, 4 of my granddaughters how to do it. Okay, and ages 10 through 13. Okay, so just real simple, fluffy pom-pom. As a matter of fact, I got this big bag of yarn from the Goodwill store, and what is so perfect about it is that I have 100% wool yarn in that bag, and I am just over the moon happy about that. Okay, so I really wanted it to be larger, so no worries. Look what I'm going to do. I'm going to continue it because I believe you should go big or go home. So that's what I'm going to do. I wanted a really fluffy pom-pom. So that's what I'm going to get. Okay, now you see how easily I rectified that situation? You can do the same. Okay. Alright, I think this is good. Okay, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to give myself another string. Okay, so all you do is, let me get this off of here. So all you do is let me see if I can just clean this area. And let me just adjust the camera for a moment, okay? Now, I want to make a couple of these because I have designated several places for it to be utilized. Alright, so here I have the yarn in a hole, and all I'm going to do, just like what we've been doing, we're going to divide it in half and cinch it right in the middle, and we're going to tie it tight, trying to get to the middle. Okay, I'm going to tie it, oops, I'm going to tie it tight. Okay, that's it. Oh, and this yarn is just so incredibly soft. Okay, that is it. So I'm going to start with just cutting the middle. Look at that. Okay, and just cut it through. And you definitely want a good scissors. This is not even my expensive scissors. I love the scissors. I don't know where I got the scissors. I don't know. But it's perfect. Okay. Now, Olivia would leave it just like this and she would say it's boutique gorgeous just the way it is, and I just love her attitude because she's not trying to be perfect. And with me, I would just be working it and working it and working it, and I would spend so much time on it, working it, and that's not what I want to do. So, but I do want to kind of even it up a little bit, and that's exactly what I mean. You see, you just can't stop being yourself. This is just beautiful. It's the yarn. So when you do this project, make sure you use a good piece of yarn. Okay, I think this is good. I'm going to show you one that I've already used. Okay, it's right behind me. This is my chair cover, and you see I put this one, is it in the frame? Yeah, okay. I put this on the bottom. I glued this on here because I didn't even dig for more yarn, and so I would much rather use this. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to switch this out, and I'm going to move the camera so that you see what I'm doing. There I go. Okay, look. There's nothing here. The pom-poms that it came with fell off, and so guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to glue this one on. So let me find a nice flat surface. There we go. Oh, this is so incredibly soft. And I'm going to add the glue here. Do you see how piping hot it is? Okay, now I really wanted to go in the middle, so I'm going to have to make it like a flat surface here, just so it can go in the middle. Oh my goodness, this is so precious. This is so gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, so you can imagine what the other one's going to look like. So now look at the difference. Okay, so now I'm definitely going to take this one off. I'm going to have to cut it off. I will cut it off. I will cut it off. Okay. See, this is what a craft room is for. You clean up when you're ready. You get to leave everything just the way it is. Okay, so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to make two more, and I'm going to decide how I'm going to add it on here, and then I will be right back and show you what it looks like. Okay, I am back, and I prepared two little projects for you. This is the box that had the yellow ribbon that I was tired of looking at, and so I switched the ribbon out for the red ribbon, and I made a nice little fluffy pom-pom to put on this one, so this one's good to go. And let me show you what I did with this one. I did like a little poodle look. I couldn't put the pom-pom on top because it opens this way, and it actually uses the rope that's on here to extend. So I couldn't do that. So I had to come up with another idea. And I didn't want to do what I did with the other two. So I did just put it on one side. And so I think it's gorgeous. Okay? Now, I did one more thing. I started working on this about a week or so ago because I like to do place cards for each person at the table. And, one second. Okay, so the other thing I did was I started preparing place cards for each person at the table. And, you know, in our home, on a regular basis, we're a family of 7, and so I wanted to do tags. You know, I like to do something more creative. So I did the tag idea, but I also, you know, used a larger tag and I just cut it out of the cardstock and added a different contrast in color, and just added a pom-pom. Now these aren't the fluffy pom-poms because, like I said, I didn't even dig for that one at that time. But I put, you know, it's a double tag. This is a tag, that's a tag. But it's still not the way I want it to be. It's not the way I like it to be. Okay, so it's still not the way that I would like it to be because I just like everything so decorative. So I'm still working on it. I'm just laying it out so that you can see the contrast on here. Okay. And I have to make a couple more tags because, you know, we're going to have another couple of guests. So what I decided to do was to combine it with a ready-made tag. I think looks better. Okay, so this is glitterized, so I'm just going to take one out for now. A lot of glitter on here. Alright, so these are Christmas trees. I can use the Christmas tree as a tag because I can put the name on the back side. I can even combine the tag on to what I have here already, which I think I may do because I did do a lot of work already. So, what do you think? I also have another option. I have these horses and deer are my favorite animals. This is just gorgeous. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, so I can, let's see, there's a deer right here also. I can add a deer to this. So I just wanted to show you what I'm thinking about because I'm still thinking. So